In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell mugs on Sellfy, an incredible platform for crafting your own print-on-demand products. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce professional or starting your online business journey, today you'll learn everything from design to the launch of your unique mug. Let's dive in. First, to get started, head over to your Sellfy dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Products section and select Print on Demand, sometimes also referred to as merch. This section opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to turn your creative ideas into reality. With that out of the way, let's add a new product. Simply click on the Add New Product button. It's a straightforward process that sets the stage for your creative input. As you browse through the product categories, you'll find an option specifically for mugs. Here, you can choose from a variety of styles such as ceramic or enamel, depending on what best suits your brand or the message you're trying to convey. Designing your mug is where the magic really begins. Sellfy provides a user-friendly editor tool that's perfect for getting your design just right. If you have a unique graphic, logo, or any piece of artwork you'd like to feature, now's the time to upload it. To ensure your design comes out crisp and vibrant, be sure to check that it meets the recommended print guidelines, like resolution and file type. If typography is more your style, you can add custom text, showcasing any message or phrase you love. Placing and resizing your design until it looks perfect is crucial on the mug template. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and save your masterpiece. Setting your price is the next vital step. On the product creation page, you'll notice the base cost, which is essentially what Sellfy will charge for production and fulfillment. To determine the final retail price, you'll need to add your desired profit margin on top of this base cost. A good formula to keep in mind is customer payment equals your profit plus Sellfy's base cost plus shipping and handling. This ensures you cover all expenses while making a profit. Now, let's add some details. Write a compelling product title and description. Think about what sets your mug apart. Is it the design, the material, or maybe an inspiring story behind it? Make sure to provide all the necessary details buyers might need to make informed choices. One of Sellfy's best features is its ability to generate high-quality product mock-ups, featuring your custom design. These mock-ups are fantastic for marketing purposes, providing a professional image of your product that can be shared easily. Finally, it's time to go live. Click on Save or Publish, and just like that, your custom mug is now live on your Sellfy store. Ready to be discovered by the world, your beautifully designed mugs can now be marketed and sold to a global audience. Happy selling!